Hey, it's Brandon with RV Traveling with Six. Today we're going to be coming to you with another helpful RV tip. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to change our RV house filtration system. Each model is a little different. As y'all know, we have a Discovery 44B. Some of the other models that we've had, the Jayco Preset Prestige and other motorhomes have the same system. There's several fifth wheels that'll have the same system. It just maybe the filter itself is a different size, but as far as the technique of changing, it's all the same. So you're only going to need two things to actually do this. One's going to be your actual wrench for your actual filter housing. This will help you loosen and tighten it up. If you don't have one of these, you can find the replacements on Amazon. I've seen them at Home Depot, Lowe's. Sometimes you can just buy the whole kit itself. But the only other thing else you'll need is the actual filter. We'll be replacing the old one and putting this one in. So the first thing that we'll need to do is to ensure that the water's turned off. If you're a full-timer like we are, we're constantly hooked up to water. So we'll need to get that water shut off, or otherwise when we take this filter off, you're just going to have water spewing all over the place. And we don't want that to happen. So let's get the water turned off. Alright. Now we got the water turned off, we'll go ahead and drain the water. So if you want to let the water in your tank or let the water out to get the pressure off the line, go ahead and do that. What I do is actually do a water tank bypass. That'll release the pressure. That way when we take the filtration apart, it's not as hard getting off, and that way we won't have any water squirting out on us. You will have water in here. And as you can see, it's a little past due that the filter got changed. So there's the new filter. As far as your placement in the container, you see these eyelets on the bottom. You'll see that actual eyelet there. You actually place it in there, so that way that the filter's in place. You'll know it's in there. And then just make sure it's centered while you're screwing it on, so that way the valve up on top gets screwed in correctly. And as far as tightening it up, you do not want to over tighten this, but you do want to tighten it a little bit. Alright, let's get the water turned back on. Alright, so the final process, just go ahead and let the water roll, so that way the water goes back through the actual filter, so there's no air. All the air is out of the line and we're good to go. This is going to complete this RV tip for the week. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you'd like to be notified every time we upload a video, go ahead and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.